Measure 1 starts right here with a big D, big B, big D, big B, and then, see how they get small like that? Let's pay close attention to what happens. D, B, D, B. Your turn. Then D, 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 B. Let's take that from the top and let's go twice as fast, like this. D, B, D, B, D, 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 B. Your turn. And then C, A, C, A, C, 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 A. Your turn. And then D, B, D, B, D, 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 B, just like the beginning. And then the trickiest part right here. D, B, D, C, B, A, G, 2, 3, 4, off. Right, how's it going so far? Ready for page 2? Let's go on to page 2 here. It's almost the same thing, but notice that now we're not starting on D4, we're starting on D5. So go from D4 and then up here to D5, like that. And repeat after me. D, B, D, B, D, 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 B. Your turn. And then C, A, C, A, C, 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 A. And then D, B, D, B, D, 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 B. Remember, it's like the chirping of a bird. And then D, B, D, C, B, A, G, 2, 3, 4, off. And give yourselves a round of applause. That is both pages of the Bluebird song. Great job. And on the count of 3, let's be playful. 1, 2, 3. Let's be playful. Great job. Bye.